Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting topics in tech, generative AI, and how it's completely transforming creativity in 2024. You've probably heard a lot about AI, but did you know it can create art, write stories, make music, and even generate new ideas all on its own? It's like science fiction coming to life. If you want to learn how this powerful technology is changing the creative world, stay tuned. And before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our future tech insights. First things first, let's break down what generative AI actually means. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create things like art, text, music, and even designs. Imagine an AI that can paint a picture based on a few words you give it or write a story using only your basic idea. That's generative AI in action. It's like giving AI a creative mind of its own, and that's why it's revolutionizing fields like art, advertising, education, and even gaming. You might be wondering, why is generative AI suddenly everywhere? Well, it's because the technology has become super accessible. In the past, only experts could use it, but now there are easy-to-use tools and apps that anyone can try. Plus, advancements in machine learning have made these AI systems smarter and faster, meaning they can produce high-quality work in seconds. In short, generative AI is not only powerful but also widely available, perfect for anyone who wants to explore their creative side without years of training. So, what are people actually doing with generative AI in 2024? The possibilities are endless. Musicians are using AI to help create beats and melodies, designers are generating concept art in minutes, and writers are getting help brainstorming stories and characters. It's like a personal assistant that can instantly bring ideas to life. For example, companies are now using AI to create unique marketing content in seconds. Imagine never running out of creative ideas. Generative AI offers so many benefits to the creative world. First, it saves time. Projects that used to take hours or days can now be completed in minutes. Second, it provides endless inspiration. Even when you're stuck, AI can spark new ideas and directions. And finally, it helps people bring visions to life, even if they don't have technical skills in art or design. For instance, if you want to create a logo or design but aren't a designer, generative AI can still make your ideas come alive. Of course, there are a few things to keep in mind. Generative AI is still a tool, so it doesn't replace human creativity, instead, it enhances it. And there are questions about originality and ownership. For example, who owns the work created by AI? These are big topics that artists, developers, and businesses are discussing as the technology advances. Despite these questions, many people see generative AI as an amazing tool to push creativity to new heights. Are you ready to try it yourself? There are lots of beginner-friendly tools you can start with, like DALL-E for art, ChatGPT for writing, and SoundRaw for music. Each of these lets you experiment and see how AI can bring your ideas to life, and they're super easy to use. Imagine telling the AI a few words, like sunset over the mountains, and instantly getting a beautiful picture or a poetic description. Let's check out some real examples of AI in action. With tools like Midjourney, artists have created unique portraits, sci-fi landscapes, and abstract designs. Writers use AI to help brainstorm ideas or draft quick paragraphs for stories or essays. Musicians even generate background tracks for videos and podcasts. The results are often impressive, and it's amazing to see how AI can inspire different types of creativity. Looking forward, the future of generative AI is really exciting. As technology continues to evolve, it will become even more advanced, helping people create richer and more detailed projects. Imagine virtual reality worlds built by AI or even personalized movies or video games that are designed just for you. Generative AI will likely become an essential part of many creative industries. And that's a wrap on generative AI and how it's transforming creativity in 2024. From art to music and beyond, the possibilities are endless. If you're as excited about this as I am, let me know in the comments what you'd love to create with AI. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on more tech and creativity insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.